Hi everybody! I'm really excited how the G animation is turning out for the animated medieval alphabet, so I'm making this short video to show you the progress. If you've been following the medieval series, you know that so far we've animated the A, B, C, D, E, and F. We're getting almost there. I am now in the process of animating the letter G. Since the animations are all based on existing drawings, the first thing that I do is to split the elements out into layers. Once I have come up with an idea of how I want the animation to look, I start creating the scene and the elements sort of around that. And here you see me essentially drawing that and also selecting the colors for the right elements and also where possible adding the hashing. If so far you haven't been able to tell what the animation is going to be, I'm sure you'll figure out shortly. Let me know in the comments if you did. It might not be very medieval, I don't think those things existed back then, but I thought it would be a lot of fun to create it. I've used the method of keyframing to make the G move back and forth, and I thought this would be a great topic to cover in a tutorial at length, so make sure to subscribe to not miss that. Using keyframes can help you save a lot of time on your animations. I can make the G move back and forth without having to redraw it or transform it manually. Now with the G moving back and forth, it was time to animate single coins falling down the path. You can technically also animate this with keyframing, but I rather did this manually, maybe to add more flair, more character. The original coins and diamonds no longer fit the new kind of theme and scene that I have created, so I have started to create new coins, and there's many more I still have to draw to be able to finish this animation. And I'd say that's what really adds the complexity to this specific animation. There's just loads of coins and loads of singular items that have to be animated separately for this to become realistic. So currently I'm trying to figure out how to simplify the animation or how to create the illusion of a lot of objects moving. And until I figure that out, here's the G animation so far. In a previous animation, I was animating fire, so I decided to make a tutorial so that you can also figure out how to animate any type of fire that you would like. I'm currently working on that. After that, we're animating a hammer for the letter H. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the animated medieval fantasy series, and also if the tutorials that I am creating are helpful. See you in the next one. Bye!